Warm welcome to all to the day 9 session of Cyber Forensics Unit 1. The topic is RAID and its tool. So the objective of the session is to describe the RAID acquisition methods and to explain how to use remote network acquisition tools and to see about other forensic tools that is available for data acquisition. Okay, understanding RAID. So you all studied about RAID in various subjects like networks, operating systems, software engineering also. So RAID means redundant array of independent disk. So that is a computer configuration that involves two or more disks. So the main aim of RAID is to find the redundancy. The main aim is to reduce the data redundancy. So what is data redundancy? Redundant, that is a copy of data is available in different ways. So what is the main aim of data redundancy? If we keep multiple copies of data in different places, if any one data get lost in any of the places, we can able to retrieve it in other place. So that is the main objective of RAID. So that RAID provides increased storage capabilities compared to our normal storage. It gives additional storages. So there are various levels of RAIDs that can be implemented through software or special hardware controllers. So let us see the level of RAID. RAID 0, level 0. So in level 0, we'll see the diagram. So the 128 KB of data file is placed in disk 1 and second 128 is kept in second disk. So what is this? Is mirroring. This is mirroring. So mirroring, okay, RAID 0. So this is 128 KB of file is placed in 64 KB and 64 is kept in another disk. So the data is divided into two half and it is placed in two different disks. What is the drawback here? Means if disk 1 got failure, then how can we retrieve the data? We cannot be able to retrieve the data. Only one half of the data that is available in disk 2 can be retrieved. So that is the main drawback of using this RAID level 0. So just the data is striped in different disks. Second is RAID 1. So RAID 1 is mirroring. So the 128 KB of data is kept in two disks. Disk 1 is also having the same data, disk 2 is also having the same data. So what is the advantage of the method? So if any of the data is get corrupted in disk 1, we can able to get the data in disk 2. So that is the main advantage of using this RAID level 1. So what is the drawback here? See here the same disk, the data is available in disk 1 and disk 2. So the cost of storage is doubled here. So that is the only drawback of RAID 1. So next is RAID 2. RAID 2 is striping, that is bit level striping. See here your file 1, file 2 is kept in different disk in different methods. So what is the main advantage of this here? Means your data is written bit by bit. So if you can use error correcting codes to correct the data if any of the particular data is find missing. When compared to RAID 0, this is very slow here. That is the main drawback. So the main advantage is it has better data integrity. Better data integrity. So this is also same as 0 striping, but the striping takes place bit level. Next RAID 3. RAID 3 is also same data striping, but instead of bit by bit, it uses a parity bit. So if by using the parity bit, you can able to find the error in the disk. So it requires at least 3 disks. So it is called as RAID 3. So it stripes the data across all the disks. So that makes up the volume. Your data is available in 1, 2, 3. 3 disks, the data will be available. So RAID 4. So RAID 4 is also using the same data striping and dedicated parity, but here block level, not bit level. Instead of bit level, we are using block level striping. So RAID 5. So RAID 5 is using distributed data, distributed parity. Distributed data is distributed in different files, disk and distributed parity. Parity is also distributed in different. So your data is also distributed, your parity bit is also distributed. So what is the role of parity bit? Means to find the error. To find the error. If you want to find the error, you can able to correct it by using this parity bit. So some more level is there, so that you have not seen in as other subjects. Right, 6, 10, and 15. What is that? 6 means double parity is used. Double parity is used. So main purpose is to recover any two disk that fail. Because of additional parity we are given, if any failure occurs, it can be easy to retrieve. RAID 10 is mirrored striping. So this is 1 plus 0. Your RAID 1 and RAID 2 combination is 10. And the combination of RAID 1 and 5 is 15. Using remote network acquisition tools. So we can use some network to connect to the remote locations via network connections, or else a copy of data from it. So what is the drawback of using this remote network acquisition tool? Means your LAN data transfer speed as well as the routing table get conflicts. So due to your network connections and you are using the copy of the network connection, so conflict will occur. And then you need to gain a permission to access the subnets, no secured subnets. So heavy traffic means it will cause delay and error. So let us see the tools. What are all the tools that is used for remote acquisition? The first tool is ProDiscover. So by using ProDiscover, what the investigator can do means they can preview the suspect's drive remotely. So the suspect, the criminal is available in India and the investigator is available in another country. So he can able to gain that drive access remotely. They can able to perform live acquisition. They can encrypt the connection. They can get the copy of the suspect's computer's RAM. They use the option stealth mode. So discover incident response additional functionality is these two. Analyze the current running process as well as it will capture the volatile system state information. Volatile system means your power gets off, your data gets erased. So that data can also capture by using this ProDiscover tool. And then additional functions are they can locate unseen files and process. The files that are not seen by us can also be seen by using these tools. They can also remotely view and listen to the IP ports. They can run the hash comparison and they can create a hash inventory for all the files remotely. So for that PD server remote agent is used. So what is that main thing is we have to load this on the suspect's computer also. PD server remote agent to be loaded on the suspect's computer. So then only we can able to do all the functions. And then PD server installation, we can use CD or pre-installation or remotely you can able to push it. Remote connection security features are password protection, encryption, SCP, secure communication protocol, write protected trusted binaries and digital signatures. Second tool is Encase Enterprise. First one is ProDiscover, second one is Encase Enterprise. So Encase Enterprise is also one of the remote acquisition tool. So from the remote, we can able to copy the data from the suspect's system. Here IDS is used, intrusion detection system. So we can able to create an image of the data from one or more systems. Third and next tool is R tool or Studio. So this is especially used for data recovery. So here remote connection uses triple DS standard, DES, data encryption standard. And then it supports various file formats. Next tool is a runtime software. So we are having some runtime software. By using those runtime software, we can able to do remote acquisitions. And then some other tools also available. What are the tools means? Snapback Data Arrest, SafeBack, DIPS USA Raid, iLook Investigator, Wogan International, ASR DataSmart, Australian Department of Defense Spyfire. These are other tools. So Snapback Data Arrest. So this is a Columbia data product. So this is just like MS-DOS old one. So we can able to create an image on three ways: disk to SCSI, disk to network drive, disk to disk. NT SafeBack. So this is a reliable MS-DOS tool. MS-DOS tool. So this will fit on the boot floppy. So here it performs SHA-256 calculation. SHA means this is hash function, and it creates log. The main function is to copy the image from disk to image or disk to disk. You can copy a partition of the image also. You can able to do compression in the image also. Next, DIPS USA RAID. So this is RAID Not this that RAID. This RAID is different. A rapid action imaging device. Rapid action imaging device. This makes forensically sound disk copies. Portable computer system designed to make disk-to-disk image. So this can be attached to write blocker device. iLook Investigator, iMager. So this is mainly to acquire the drive and RAID drives. Vogan International. So this is a raw format image. For this, you are in need of write blogger, and we can able to do password cracker. Acer Data Smart. So these are the forensic tool. This is especially used for Linux environment. So it will make entire all the copies of image files. So that is about the tools. So we have seen what is a RAID and what are the levels of RAID, and we have seen remote acquisition tools, ProDiscover, and other tools also. We have seen Encase Enterprise and some other tools. So relate the word and find the level of RAID. So for which level this will be used? Data striping. This is level 0. Data mirroring is level 1. Data striping bit level is level 2. The parity bit level 3. Block level striping 4. Distributed parity is 5th. And next is 6th. 1 plus 0 is 10. 1 plus 15 is 5 is 15. So that is about